Inhale, halfway lift, nice straight spine. Exhale, fold over your legs. On your inhale, roll your spine up, vertebra by vertebra. Reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, lower your hands down in front of your heart. Then inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bow forward, folding over your legs. Halfway lift, inhale, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, step back into your high plank. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, bend your elbows, chaturanga. Open through your chest for upward dog on your inhale. Then press back to down dog on your exhale. When you get to your down dog, inhale, reach your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, pull the knee forward and step forward in between your hands. Drop your back knee, uncurl your toes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Then exhale, open your arms wide, open your chest. Inhale, take your fingertips down onto the mat. Exhale, press back, straighten your front leg and fold over your leg. Let's flow through this a few more times. So inhale, rebend your right knee, lift your chest, arms up. Exhale, open your arms, open your heart. Inhale, hands come to the floor. And exhale, press back into your half splits. Let's do this 2 more times, moving with your breath. And 1 more. Inhale, shift forward, reach your arms up. Exhale, arms go wide as you open through your heart center. Inhale, hands to the mat. And exhale, press back. This time, inhale, shift forward, reach your arms up to the sky. Then exhale, bring your hands to prayer and twist over to your right, hooking your left elbow to your right thigh. On every inhale, feel your arms up. Exhale, open your arms wide and take your hands down to the floor. Step back into your high plank. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing dog, open through your heart. Downward facing dog, really press down through your heels. Other side, left leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, pull your knee forward and step your left foot in between your hands. Drop your back knee, uncurl your toes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, arms go wide, open through your chest. Inhale, hands come to the floor. And exhale, press back into your half split. And again, inhale. Exhale, open. Inhale, hands to the floor. Exhale, hands to prayer, and let's twist over to the left, hooking our right elbow to our left thigh. On every inhale, find a little more length through your spine. And on every exhale, see if you can twist open and in. And deep breath out. Beautiful. Return through center. Inhale, reach your arms up.